Hi, Lee Phillips again. Yeah, you're getting sick of me, but that's okay. I want to talk about when you make distributions after an individual has died from a trust. So you're the trustee, and you've got the other three brothers and sisters all pounding on the table saying that they need money. And there's $100,000 in Dad's bank account. Divide it up and get it out now. Well, I got some news for you. You're the trustee. You can think of this as a little company. No, it's not a company, okay? It's a trust. But think of it as a little company. You've got to operate this little company. And it's going to take you as trustee a year, 2 years, 3 years to clean up the house, sell it, get rid of the rental properties. Maybe you don't even want to get rid of the rental properties. You want to keep the rental properties. They spin off income for everybody. That's cool. So you're going to keep the rental properties. Well, that's okay. You've got to hold back enough money to operate those rental units. And if somebody needs a roof or that sort of thing, you got to have the money in the trust to do that. So one of the mistakes I see the trustee do quite often is, well, the bank account's easy to divide up. We'll just divide it up amongst all kids like the trust says. That's okay. But then as trustee, you don't have any money to pay for the furnace that went out in Dad's house, and all the pipes are going to freeze if you don't fix the furnace. So you got to think, I'm operating this as a company, and it's heresy for me to say the word company because the trust isn't a company, but you're operating it as if it were a company, and you've got to have the capital in the bank account to continue to operate and take care of the assets. So when do you distribute? That's up to you as trustee. And yep, a lot of the beneficiaries are nipping at your heels, trying to get you to pay them out something. They're desperate. You might be able to throw them a bone, but you've got to keep enough. And when you sell a big piece of property or something, you can distribute some of that out. Got to pay the taxes, remember that? In fact, you got to pay Dad's taxes for the last year, his 1040 form. You're going to file a final 1040, but there might be taxes due. So you've got to keep the money and do all of these things. Yeah, everybody wants their little bit of money and give it to them, but keep enough that you're not shorthanded either. Just a tip on when you actually distribute property from the trust if you're the trustee.